Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to transcribe in Evernote. Let's begin. Transcribing notes in Evernote is a simple process. All you have to do is go to the website. You see, you can get started with Evernote and transcribe anything directly here. You can unlock more powerful AI features to keep yourself organized. All you have to do is very simple. Drag and drop or browse to upload. It supports all image, video, and audio formats and up to 100 MB and 1 hour of recording. All I have to do is click this button to locate your file. So I'm going to drag and drop an audio file. All right, so it's processing now. It would give you the status if it's already done. All right, transcribing. Do not close the page. Takes a little while depending on the length of the recording or the file size. The bigger the file size, it's going to be a lot. It takes a little while to transcribe it. Now, you have multiple options here. You can click the copy link wherein you can purchase or sign to copy. You can simply edit. If you want, you can click the download. But the idea is before you can proceed, you need to log in or sign up for a free account. If you click the login button, if this is your first time in Evernote, this is the golden opportunity for you to create an account. You can choose from any of the following from Google or Apple. All right. In my case, I'm just going to be logging in. I'm going to use my Google account and I will be forwarded to this section. All right. It's kind of easy, really. Takes a little while. And we will be forwarded to the, click on allow, the file itself. Now this is going to be the transcription. All right, it's kind of easy. Now from here, you can add more information as you go along the way. Maybe add an image here if you want. You see, when I attach the section here, you also have an option to transcribe this handwritten notes into editable text. All right. If you do that, what will happen is you would be forwarded to this section. All right. You see that? It's kind of easy. Now, the transcribing section is only applicable in the desktop and of course on the web version. As of the moment, it doesn't support the mobile device. So you might want to make sure that if you wanted to transcribe the following image or video or audio, you need to use the web version. But don't worry, because if you are on the go and you wanted to use the mobile, we have a separate video on how to sync across all devices. So if I'm using the web version right now, you just have to go to the settings, make sure that you are connected to the devices. All right. Right now, so web, and make sure you are connected to the desktop as well. And of course, you need to make sure that you are using the same account for all devices. That would also reflect on the mobile device if you do that. And of course, it will also appear on the Evernote for the desktop application. And after you've done with this, you see it's already here on my desktop application. You click the share note if you wanted, click this. If you are in a collaborative environment, you might want to save this as a template or send it to your client or team members. And then if you are using the desktop application, which is synced to the web version, right here, you now have the option to click the file section. You can export it as a PDF, export it to OneNote for Windows 10, and a lot more. You can also export it as a different file formats such as annex format and single web page. All right, so we have a separate videos on how to export and link this Evernote to other platforms. All right, thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you again in the next one.